What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Our friend Jerome Powell spoke a few words and we're seeing a drop. So we're going to get into that. Some more interest rate hikes look likely. We did have a positive PCE, but what Powell said has seemed to cause a little bit of a drop in the market. So we're sitting at 29.9K. We're down 2.5 in the day. See market of 582 billion, 24-hour volume 20 billion. So Powell says more restriction is coming, including possibility of hikes at consecutive meetings. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell talked tough on inflation Wednesday, saying at a forum that he expects multiple interest rate increases ahead and possibly at an aggressive pace. And the market is reacting negatively, as we can see. Now the PCE did come in at 4.6 and 4.7 was expected. But with this hawkish news from Powell, we are seeing a little bit of a drop. But we did have that bearish divergence on the 4-hour. So if we can hold the 50% level, then we're A-OK for this wave 4. However, if we just sell off really swiftly and it breaks, then what I would look at is that this was your wave 1 up complete, and you're going to pull back in a wave 2, which would be much deeper, potentially to 27K before pushing up in a wave 3. That's if 28.8K breaks. Looks like this divergence will finally play out and come all the way down to the bottom of the RSI. Could lead to Bitcoin coming down and testing the 50% level. It really depends. If buying pressure steps in, we can bounce from here. But with that bearish news from Powell, we are seeing a little bit of a swift drop. So daily time frame, as I mentioned, we're allowing the EMAs to catch back up to the candles so we can retest the 20 EMA at 28.9K. Let's see if that lines up. Yeah, that lines up with the 50% level. So do watch those daily EMAs as well as on the weekly chart. We have printed the bullish cross. So everything looks A-OK on the weekly. I'm still pretty confident that we're going to see continuation to the upside in our wave 3. The DXY is seeing a rejection from our wave 2 pullback zone. As we can see, we saw a strong rejection, which usually leads to the price of BTC going up. But with that hawkish news from Powell, we're seeing a little bit of a drop. See, as you can see, it's being bought back rather quickly. Short positions, 50% increase. So do watch that. Of course, we could see a short squeeze, but we'll have to wait and we'll have to wait a few hours and let things settle down in the market after that bearish news from Powell. And we'll see if it's just a quick fake out to the downside, bit of a bear trap before we push up in the wave 5, or if we do end up testing 28.8K. We are currently in 4 trades: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Gala, and Sand. If you want a 30-day free trial, you can sign up to Bitget or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. It takes 2 minutes. And you receive a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis. As I mentioned, we're in 4 trades: crypto news, member profits, how to alt plays, Forex signals, and analysis as well. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.